Hello, Susie Kins and Susie Quins. This is your WWE YouTube World Susie Heavyweight Champion of the world, and you can acknowledge me as a head of the Susie Buffet. Dude, so welcome back to another food review today here, because I am eating my favorite food ever. Sushi and Chinese! If you love this stuff, you'll be my best friend and WWE. This is the comment please always bring here because I love this stuff. Yes. So I did an update in the end here. So let's go dive into the food today here. Alrighty. I got a rice in wall and also sesame chicken and white rice here. Let's go dive right in here. Alright, so just 3 seconds to see if it's this. Mm. 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 Sushi. Hey, sushi. Sushi, yeah, this is this. Mm. Mm. Wow. That's good stuff. And then rice. White rice. Mm. Sushi, yeah, this is this. Mm. Mm. Wow. Dude. That is my favorite food ever. Mm. Wow. 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 That's so delicious. And that is it, guys, yo. I love eating food in for YouTube. I love the options. I'm almost done editing my vlog, New Year's vlog. And then I was in Hannah Montana. And in 2 hours is NXT. I went Born Borrego. No, going NXT seminar. Wow. Wow. And that's it, guys, yo. Because I love doing this stuff. And shout out for every single video I put on YouTube. This guy is an amazing commenter. Thank you. I say on my episode. Thank you. So that's it, guys, yo. I'm sorry, y'all. So thank you for watching all the videos. You can drop a like, comment, and subscribe, and join on your notification bell. Never miss a upload. And please, Winside Genetics sponsor me on this YouTube channel, this Kansas channel, and this experiences too, please. And please share the channel to family and friends. And please communicate with me. And please follow me at Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok, and Twitter. And with that, I have 2 words for you. Sushi, yeah.